every time. You guys have been a leader in addressing the COVID crisis from a business perspective from day one. I mean, you, Brian, you and I have talked a lot offline, and you're even still leading that people don't even know about going into the future. What drove you to take that position? Why did you decide to take that leadership role at HABCO in COVID?
It's the right thing to do. I care a lot about our employees. I care a lot about our customers. And I think it would be irresponsible to not. I have a wife, I have kids. I know every employee has family, and to put people in harm's way is just irresponsible. And that's the way we looked at it from day one. Is if we looked at this and said, if it was our sons and daughters or spouses or parents working at HABCO, what protection would you want to do? I mean, I know early on the fights I had with my parents on the phone about don't go to Zumba class, Mom. So if that's the passion I had for my mom and my dad and my siblings and my kids and my wife, I have to have that same passion for our employees. And we made the decision early on. I started tracking this in February. I mentioned we have a facility in the Czech Republic and it hit there earlier. So, I maybe had a little bit quicker insight to that crystal ball that was about to hit, but still didn't understand and still don't understand how it's going to play out. But our focus on day one when we started the executive team conversations in February was we have to put 3 things in place, or 3 focuses in place, and do not waver. And those 3 things were the health and safety of our employees, our customers, and our suppliers. So that's the physical space and how we treat people. Number 2 was, the flexibility that we have to provide for our employees. How many employees became teachers or caretakers or caregivers, right? And so knowing that people now have young kids that have to be taught at home, we got to provide flexibility, or they have to take care of their mom and dad. So that was number 2. And then number 3, which was really the challenge, do both of those without sacrificing customer deliveries. And those 3 things come in conflict every day.